Hey everyone, welcome back to Herbology Haven, where we dive deep into the wonders of nature and how they can boost your health and wellness. Today, we're exploring one of nature's most powerful superfruits, Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. This tiny green fruit has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, and today, we're going to tell you exactly why it deserves a spot in your daily routine. Amla, or Phyllanthus emblica** if you want to get scientific, belongs to the Phyllantheaceae family. It's not just any fruit, it's a powerhouse of health benefits packed into a small, green package. Let's start with what Amla looks like. Amla is a small to medium-sized deciduous tree that can grow anywhere from 8 to 18 meters tall. The leaves are light green and resemble tamarind leaves, arranged so closely on the branches that they give the tree a feathery appearance. The flowers are small, greenish-yellow, and unisexual, meaning male and female flowers are found on the same tree. And then, there's the fruit, round, smooth, and about 2.5 centimeters in diameter with 6 distinct vertical stripes. When ripe, the fruit is a greenish-yellow and has a taste that's a mix of sour, bitter, and astringent. Amla isn't just any fruit, it's steeped in history. In Ayurvedic medicine, Amla has been revered for over 3,000 years, mentioned in ancient texts like the Charaka Samhita and Sushruta Samhita. It's classified as a rasayana, or rejuvenating agent, believed to balance the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, and promote longevity and overall health. It's also a key ingredient in the famous Ayurvedic formulation, Triphala. Amla holds a sacred place in Indian culture as well. It's associated with Lord Vishnu, one of the principal deities in Hinduism, and is often planted near temples and in home gardens. During festivals like Amla Navami, both the tree and its fruits are worshipped as symbols of health and prosperity. But it's not just in India where Amla is revered. In traditional Chinese medicine, Amla is recognized for its cooling properties and is used to treat conditions related to heat and inflammation. It is also believed to nourish the lungs and improve respiratory health. Across different regions in India and Southeast Asia, Amla has been used in various folk remedies. It has been traditionally used to enhance eyesight, improve digestion, and boost overall energy levels. The fruit is also commonly used in hair care practices, believed to promote hair growth and prevent graying. Fast forward to today, and Amla is just as relevant as ever. It's not only a popular remedy in traditional medicine but also a rising star in the modern wellness industry. With its rich nutritional profile and extensive health benefits, Amla has earned its status as a global superfood. So, what makes Amla so special? Amla is incredibly rich in vitamin C, so rich, in fact, that it contains more of this essential nutrient than an orange. Vitamin C is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system, glowing skin, and sharp vision. But that's not all. Amla is also a fantastic source of vitamin A, calcium, iron, and a variety of other essential minerals that contribute to your overall well-being. Amla doesn't stop at vitamins and minerals. It's also loaded with antioxidants and phytochemicals, natural compounds that help combat free radicals in your body. These antioxidants, like polyphenols, flavonoids, and tannins, are key players in reducing oxidative stress, which in turn lowers your risk of chronic diseases. So, how can you make Amla a part of your balanced diet? Well, it's super versatile. You can eat it raw, sprinkle Amla powder over your meals, or enjoy it as a refreshing juice. No matter how you consume it, Amla helps you meet your daily nutritional needs while offering powerful protective benefits. Let's talk about the health benefits. Amla might be small, but it packs a powerful punch when it comes to health. Let's explore how this tiny fruit can make a big difference in your well-being. First up, Amla is a natural immunity booster, thanks to its incredibly high vitamin C content. Just one Amla contains more vitamin C than an orange. Regular consumption of Amla can help your body fight off infections, reduce the severity of colds, and keep your immune system strong and resilient. Amla is also a fantastic aid for digestion. Its high fiber content helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting overall digestive health. Plus, Amla enhances the absorption of nutrients, making it a perfect addition to any balanced diet. Did you know that Amla can support your heart health too? The antioxidants in Amla help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels, preventing plaque buildup in arteries, and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. If you're looking for a natural remedy to promote hair growth, Amla might be your answer. The high levels of vitamin C and antioxidants in Amla strengthen hair follicles, reduce dandruff, and add a beautiful shine to your hair. And let's not forget about the skin benefits. Regular consumption or topical application of Amla can give you glowing, healthy skin. It helps reduce acne, prevent signs of aging, and even out your skin tone. So, whether you're looking to boost your immunity, improve digestion, support heart health, or enhance your hair and skin, Amla has got you covered. It's truly a superfruit that deserves a spot in your daily routine. In Ayurveda, Amla is considered a rejuvenating agent that balances the body's energies. In traditional Chinese medicine, it's used to treat inflammation and heat-related conditions. Across various cultures, Amla has been a go-to remedy for generations. Amla, with its rich history and powerful health benefits, has been revered in various traditional medicine systems. Whether in Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, or folk remedies, Amla has always played a crucial role. In Ayurveda, one of the world's oldest holistic healing systems, Amla is considered a rasayana, a rejuvenating agent. But what does this mean? Well, it's believed that Amla has the unique ability to balance the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, which are the fundamental energies believed to govern the body and mind. By balancing these doshas, Amla helps in maintaining harmony within the body. It's used to treat a variety of ailments, ranging from digestive disorders like indigestion and constipation to respiratory issues such as asthma and bronchitis. References to Amla can be found in ancient Ayurvedic texts like the Charaka Samhita and Sushruta Samhita, where it's praised for its rejuvenating properties. It's also a key ingredient in many Ayurvedic formulations, including the famous Triphala, which is known for its detoxifying effects. But it's not just in India where Amla has been valued. In traditional Chinese medicine, Amla is recognized for its cooling properties. In the ancient Chinese healing system, Amla is used to treat conditions related to heat and inflammation. For example, it's often recommended to alleviate symptoms of heat stroke or to cool the body down during periods of intense heat. Additionally, it's believed to nourish the lungs, improving respiratory health and aiding in the treatment of conditions like coughs and bronchitis. Amla's use isn't limited to structured medical systems, it's also a star in various folk remedies across different cultures. From enhancing eyesight to boosting overall energy, Amla has been the go-to remedy. For generations, in many regions of India and Southeast Asia, it's a common practice to use Amla to promote hair growth and prevent graying. Whether eaten raw, dried, or as a juice, its versatility and effectiveness have made it a beloved natural remedy. Amla strengthens your hair. The high vitamin C content in Amla boosts collagen production, which is essential for strong, healthy hair. Collagen helps to fortify your hair's structure, reducing breakage and promoting overall hair strength. Amla oil is particularly popular for scalp massages. Regularly massaging your scalp with Amla oil nourishes the scalp, improves blood circulation, and promotes healthy hair growth. It's a natural remedy that's easy to incorporate into your routine. If you're into DIY hair care, Amla hair masks are a fantastic option. Simply mix Amla powder with yogurt or coconut oil to create a nourishing mask. Apply it directly to your hair and scalp, let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, and then rinse it out. This mask helps to strengthen your hair, add shine, and reduce dandruff. Trust me, your hair will feel softer, stronger, and more manageable after just a few treatments. The beauty industry has caught on to the benefits of Amla, and now you can find a wide range of commercial hair products that feature Amla as a key ingredient. From shampoos and conditioners to hair oils and serums, these products bring the nourishing power of Amla into your daily hair care routine. Whether you're looking to repair damaged hair, boost shine, or promote growth, there's likely an Amla-infused product that fits your needs. So, whether you're using raw Amla, Amla oil, or Amla-based products, this little fruit has the power to transform your hair care routine. It's natural, effective, and backed by centuries of use. Who doesn't want that radiant, healthy glow? Amla's high antioxidant content makes it an excellent natural remedy for brightening your skin. Regular application of Amla-based face masks can help reduce blemishes, even out your skin tone, and give your complexion a vibrant, youthful glow. Here's a simple tip. Mix Amla powder with a little water to create a paste, and apply it as a face mask. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel instantly refreshed and brighter. Now, let's talk about anti-aging. One of the standout benefits of Amla is its ability to combat signs of aging. The antioxidants in Amla help fight free radicals, those pesky molecules that cause wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. By neutralizing these free radicals, Amla helps keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. It's like giving your skin a natural boost from the inside out. You can easily create your anti-aging face masks at home. Just mix Amla powder with honey or aloe vera to create a soothing mask that hydrates and rejuvenates your skin. Apply it once or twice a week for the best results. Amla's benefits aren't just rooted in traditional remedies, modern science is starting to back them up too. Recent studies have shown that Amla has impressive anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even anti-cancer properties. These findings support its traditional uses and suggest that Amla could play a significant role in modern skincare and health. If you're looking for a convenient way to incorporate Amla into your skincare routine, consider Amla supplements. Available in capsules, powders, and extracts, these supplements offer a simple way to boost your skin's health from the inside out, especially if fresh Amla isn't easily accessible to you. So, whether you're looking to brighten your complexion, fight signs of aging, or just give your skin a little extra love, Amla is definitely worth adding to your skincare arsenal. It's natural, effective, and backed by both tradition and science. Amla isn't just for medicine. Amla has been a staple in Indian cuisine for centuries. It's used in a variety of dishes, from chutneys to pickles, and adds a unique tangy flavor that enhances the taste of many recipes. Incorporating Amla into your everyday cooking is easier than you might think. You can add Amla to smoothies, salads, or even soups to boost their nutritional content. Amla candy, a popular sweet treat, is another delicious way to enjoy the fruit. Amla pickles and jams are popular ways to preserve the fruit for later use. These preserves not only extend the shelf life of Amla but also provide a flavorful way to enjoy its benefits year-round. Amla is often compared to other superfoods like blueberries and acai berries due to its high antioxidant content. However, Amla stands out because of its versatility and the range of health benefits it offers. As the global demand for superfoods continues to rise, Amla is gaining popularity in the health food market. Its unique flavor and extensive health benefits make it a sought-after ingredient in health-conscious circles. Growing and harvesting Amla is relatively easy, especially in India's subtropical climate. The trees are hardy and can grow in a variety of soil types, making Amla cultivation relatively easy for farmers. The fruit is typically harvested in the winter months when it's fully mature. After harvesting, Amla is often processed into various products such as powders, juices, and oils to preserve its benefits. Sustainable farming practices are crucial for ensuring the long-term availability of Amla. By using organic methods and minimizing the use of pesticides, farmers can produce high-quality Amla while protecting the environment. If you're looking to incorporate Amla into your daily routine, supplements are a convenient option. From capsules to powders and extracts, there's something for everyone. Each type offers its own set of benefits, making it easy to find a supplement that fits your lifestyle and health needs. When choosing Amla supplements, it's important to look for high-quality products that are free from additives and fillers. Organic Amla supplements are often the best choice, as they ensure the fruit has been grown without harmful chemicals. While Amla is generally safe for most people, it's important to be aware of potential side effects, such as gastrointestinal discomfort. If you're taking medication or have a medical condition, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before adding Amla to your routine. Amla's benefits have not gone unnoticed by the beauty industry. Amla is a popular ingredient in skincare products due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. From face creams to serums, Amla helps protect the skin from environmental damage and reduces the signs of aging. The benefits of Amla for hair are well known, and many hair care products now feature Amla as a key ingredient. These products help nourish the scalp, strengthen hair, and add shine, making them a staple in many beauty routines. As people become more aware of the benefits of natural products, Amla-based wellness trends are on the rise. From Amla detox juices to Amla-infused skincare, this superfruit is making its mark in the beauty and wellness industry. But with all this demand, it's important to consider the environmental impact of Amla cultivation. Sustainable agriculture practices are essential for the long-term cultivation of Amla. By promoting organic farming and reducing the use of harmful pesticides, farmers can ensure that Amla remains a viable crop for future generations. Amla cultivation supports biodiversity by providing a habitat for various species of birds and insects. The trees are also an important part of the ecosystem, helping to prevent soil erosion and maintain soil fertility. Ethical considerations in Amla production are becoming increasingly important as demand for the fruit grows. Ensuring fair wages for farmers and promoting sustainable practices are key to maintaining the integrity of the Amla supply chain. Like any crop, Amla faces challenges: climate change, pests, and diseases. Addressing these issues through research and innovation is crucial for the future of Amla production. The market for Amla-based products is constantly evolving, with new innovations emerging regularly. From Amla-infused beverages to skincare products, the possibilities are endless. As research into Amla continues, new findings are likely to emerge, further solidifying its status as a superfood. The future of Amla looks bright, with growing demand in both the health, food, and beauty industries. Before we wrap up, let's address some frequently asked questions. What is the best way to consume Amla? Amla can be consumed in various forms, such as raw, powdered, or as juice. Each form has its benefits, so it depends on your preference. Can Amla help with weight loss? Yes, Amla can aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism, improving digestion, and detoxifying the body. How often should I use Amla for hair care? You can use Amla for hair care 2 to 3 times a week, either as a hair mask or in the form of Amla oil, to see significant results. Is Amla safe for everyone? Amla is generally safe for most people. However, those with certain medical conditions should consult a healthcare provider before consuming Amla. Where can I buy high-quality Amla products? High-quality Amla products can be purchased from health food stores, online retailers, or specialty Ayurvedic shops. Always look for organic and additive-free options. That's all for today's ultimate guide to Amla. Amla is more than just a fruit, it's a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits. From boosting immunity to promoting hair and skin health, Amla offers a wide range of benefits that make it a valuable addition to your diet and wellness routine. As interest in natural remedies continues to grow, Amla is poised to become a global superfood, celebrated for its versatility and effectiveness. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.